On August 21st, 2023, cops conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with a legal tinted window. Upon further inspection, they discovered the driver had an arrest warrant. Here's how it goes.
Can I see it quick? Yeah, I'll tell you. The tinted windows is one of the reasons.
One of the reasons?
Yeah.
$150 Dollar General.
West Athens.
Yep.
Fire was in the vehicle. Can you confirm?
What's the other reason?
I'll tell you in a second.
Why you can't tell me now?
Because I like to.
This way.
The liquor is correct, ma'am?
It's about what you like to do.
Is it the liquor? Is that correct?
You see it.
It's, I told you the reason I stopped you is because of the tinted windows, right?
So that's one of the reasons.
Yeah, one of the reasons. I'll tell you another reason in a second.
You tell me now.
Well, once you give me a driver's license, I'll tell you.
Here.
Thank you.
Don't snatch nothing from me.
162.
You just snatched it. What did you snatch it for?
I just gave it to you. You give it to me.
You snatched it.
All right, step out of the vehicle for me.
I'm not stepping out.
All right, you're going to step out of the vehicle for me.
For what?
I'll explain to you in a second. Step out of the vehicle
No,
for me.
I'm tired of this, all this in a second. You can tell me now.
Step out of the vehicle.
That's weird.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
You stopped me for this crazy. The same cop that I always get. I'm at my apartment. The mess about is you. Why am I always getting you?
Turn around.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
Do not
I'm going to
put your
tase you.
hands-
I'm going to tase you.
For what?
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands. Hold on. Now you're going to get charged with obstruction.
Get off of me.
Put your hands.
They're behind me.
All right.
The hell did you arrested me for? My kids are in the car.
I'll tell you in a second. It would have been easier if you didn't
Yeah, I should
start acting like this.
because ain't no can
We're
walk.
recording. One for your staff. One.
For what?
You have a warrant for your arrest from Hall County.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do. And now you're going to have a warrant from me for obstruction.
No, what are y'all doing?
Come here.
Who's coming to get my kids?
I'll tell you in a second.
Don't pull me. I
I'll
can walk. Let me go.
I'll call defects if we need to.
You're not going to call defects.
Then
You're going
step up.
to call a family member.
Okay, I will
That's
call
what
a
you're
family
gonna
member.
do.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to pat you down quick. Make sure I have nothing on you. Turn around. Face away from me.
I got a tights. You can clearly see.
I still have to pat you down. You have a Hall County warrant. And that's why you're in the handcuffs today. Can we call somebody to come pick up your kids? Huh?
You can try. Everybody's at work.
Well,
Is it alright if I grab your phone so you can make the call?
Yes, please. Nigga, you at work? Can you come to the Dollar General? It's in Winder, I think, not far from the one from what you call they
It's on West Athens Street.
West Athens Street. They talking about I'm under arrest for warrant in Hall County, and we
You're just
baby
being
in the car.
detained right now. Okay? You're just being detained. So dispatch is gonna call Hall County and see if they want to place a hold on you. If they want to place a hold, you go to Barrow County.
I'm under arrest for a warrant, he said, and my tent being too dark. And we be back in the car and Ramirez and Jador.
A warrant for what?
I don't know, they ain't saying.
shoplifting warrant from Hall County.
Shoplifting warrant from Hall County. And he all in my car for what?
Well, yeah, I mean, well, you said I'm getting that kid out.
Okay. Okay, whatever. That's not the bigger
See,
point.
I'm talking about what?
The last time I seen him, every time he helped me and come to the apartment, it's the same tent. Then try to handle somebody rough. It wasn't even the other one, it's him. And that's weird. The same one that testified for my toe and everything, it's the same one.
Okay, so what dollar store you at?
The one that, like, you know the one that wandered, it's not far from KFC.
It's Dollar General West Athens Street.
Dollar General West Athens Street.
Okay, well, he gonna have to wait, because I'm just not getting off.
That he can call defects.
The defense for what?
I don't know, that's not ever the first option.
Exactly. If somebody coming to get him, what the is the defense for?
Ma'am, about how long till you could get here?
She comes from Athens, so.
From Athens? About 30 minutes?
Yeah.
30, 45 minutes?
About.
Okay.
So can you drop the location?
Yeah.
Did you call Steph?
I called 3 times. I guess she's still in orientation.
Alright, well, I'm gonna, drop the location.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Just consider it. In your seat for now, okay?
Mark the deed, down the track.
10-4. Waiting for confirmation.
7.
Yeah, I know that.
Yep.
That's
Worry
it?
about your pants then.
No, I'm not worrying about it. I get another
Looking
thing.
at 'em.
I'm just making sure I'm not dirty right now. Public sees me, I want to be
151 is the time.
10-4, but 1095. You're under arrest, man, for
10-4,
blowing this out.
1437.
Can you go back in my car, please? Can you get in my car, please?
Is it not? Can you not handle me instead of him?
I'm just a backup officer.
Don't touch me. You do not have to touch me.
Alright. Alright. You'll also be placed under arrest for obstruction and tinted windows.
We'll see about all in court. Thank you.
Sure. And now this citation for
Bye. Get the out of my face.
throwing out.
Is it alright if I grab your phone? So you can get an ETA of when somebody can be here.
Let me speak up.
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. Are you the one that's coming to get the kids?
Oh, what's going on? What's going on?
Denise.
Yes.
Yeah, that's Talika's sister. I don't know what's going on. She just called me and said somebody she had a warrant, and I just got off work from Abby.
Okay,
And
what
she
it
said
is?
something. They is in Winder past the KFC.
We're at the Dollar General on West Athens Street, ma'am.
Okay, that's all in mom.
Yes, ma'am. Right past it.
Okay, I'm in route, okay?
About how far out are you?
Probably 7 minutes.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, ma'am. You the one coming to get the kids?
Yeah. Her sister's supposed to be on where you need my ID?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let her know that I will stay here till her sister get here. Cause I think her sister baby in the car, so I'm still gonna want to talk to her.
I got you. You want that? I'll go to him.
Yeah.
50 pounds. That should be 10-8 set 9 from 150 and 76 to 62.
The woman was arrested for her warrant and also faced an additional charge of obstructing an officer's, as well as cited for her illegal tint on window. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.